Let's do a unboxing. This is a pretty interesting device that has just arrived. This is a Bendix King KG102A directional gyro, which is used in smaller aircraft like in the Cessna and Piper. So let's open it up and see how it looks like. I purchased this at eBay a couple of weeks ago. It has just arrived. Let's not damage anything. The first unboxing on this channel. And this knife could have been a little bit sharper. There we go. Well packaged. This parcel weighs around 4.5 kilograms or 9 pounds. There we go. We should have the actual indicator as well. Very well packaged. And this is the actual instrument indicator. Look at that beauty. So connectors here, should be able to rewire it. Yes, let's put it on the side here. And we should have the actual gyro here as well. Here we got it. Here's the actual gyro. Pretty lightweight. This thing is supposed to be flying around in the air. Some information about that. And this is the special aircraft approved TEF wire. And there's still more in here. Yes, here's the actual mounting bracket for a gyro. And these are the switches, master-slave switches. You need to actually pull this switch out to change it, so you don't accidentally bump into it. You can see the warranty void seal has been broken there. Let's take this lid off and see what's inside. I don't want to accidentally damage it. I'm going to try to turn it on. We need to reverse engineer the wiring first. If we can find some data sheet to how to hook it up. Let's be careful now. We've got a circuit board on top, some adjusting potentiometers, and underneath that we have the actual gyro itself. Yes, here you can see the inside of it. Those bearings are amazing. Absolutely no friction in there. But I don't want to touch that too much. This is a thing of beauty. There's the pickup on the top. Here's the PCB from the top. That metal can is some kind of op-amp. Now it's back together and mounted on the bracket. These are some spring-loaded dampers made in USA. Let's have a look inside this indicator. There's what a resolver there. It works like a encoder, but the resolver has no dead spots in it. Very fine mechanics. Beautifully made. It's a little bit dusty on the back here. Those looks like some kind of slip rings. It would be nice to see this running.